Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to uninstall multiple apps in Android Smart TV. Before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more video. Guys, if you also uninstall multiple apps, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, open your Google Play Store. Then click on Settings. Under Settings, click on Free Up Storage. Now you can see here all your apps. Then select here multiple apps. I select only 2 apps. You select multiple apps. Then click on uninstall. That's it guys. So in this video you uninstall multiple apps in Android Smart TV. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.